Oh yeah, much stronger. Just gotta get out of those ruts. Wow, that's a really deep hole under there. I guess the ants all did that. It's crazy. There goes our floors. Carfish is hanging out. Hey Bubs, how are you? Oh, you little cutie. He's a pug, right?
Yeah, a little black pug. Yeah.
Little black pug, look at you. Yeah, I'll get it up on the flat so we can pull it over. But here is what's left. A lot of time people say these videos are made up, like you just threw some shrubbery around an old car, but I mean, you can tell when you look at the ground, it's been sitting for a long time. There's the imprints of the exhaust. It looks like it's got long tube headers, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the collector and open headers at that. This should allow us to slide back over. Since we got it motor back, we got to pull pretty far forward to get our weight right. Yeah, that's coming over. So you sad to see it go, Donna?
I am sad, but I'm glad because it's going to go to something rather than going into
the ground further.
into a compactor.
Yeah, no, exactly. So I'll do something with it, see if it's potentially savable. I don't know if that's true, but otherwise, at least the parts will go into something. Yeah. And you know, it's better than rotting away in the ground. It didn't. You could tell it didn't want to die there. I mean, the tires filled up, so that's a good sign. Yeah. Yeah. Those tires look like they're from the 70s, probably.
They probably are. 80s at least.
You got any old pictures of the car I can plug in? Or?
I might, but I'll have to find them.
Okay, cool.
And I'll make sure you get them.
Awesome. Locked and loaded. Village of California, Pennsylvania, that is. Yeah, from Cali, Pensy. Nice day for mowing the lawn on my John Deere. Cute little bar. I like it. I'm gonna go drop this off my storage yard because I gotta do something with the Buick Special first. But I wanted to pop this hood open and lube up the cylinders, see if we can get it rotating. That, and I kind of just took his word on the fact that it had a 351 Cleveland. So we'll see what's going on. A little bit of rust coming out. There it is. These hinges are a little tight too. Oh, there's first glimpse. Let's get the air cleaner off of it. That's never a good sign. Now the trick with opening a lot of these hoods is you want to be pulling and lifting. I've said this a lot before in videos, but it took me one time on a Ranchero to just lift straight up and it bent the hood. I mean, it was a junk hood anyway, just like this one. But that's when I realized, yeah, give it a little pull, a little wiggle, And well, of course, a little lubricant too, but there we are. You can see the mice have facilitated in allowing the hood to rust out, but I've seen worse, and it's cool. It's got the hood scoops, you know, nice. Those actually make sense to allow good airflow into the engine compartment and rain too, but they're not fake. And here's what we're looking like. Yes, this I believe is a Cleveland because it has the thermostat going right into the block versus the intake manifold on like a Windsor. So the first thing I'm noticing under here is this Mallory ignition coil. That's pretty beefy. Never seen one like it. Maybe you guys have. Here's the factory ignition coil. And